Hey friends, today I'm sharing these delicious and easy to make roasted potato wedges, a dish that you can do on any day of the week. It's a side dish, an appetizer, or for snacking on any time. A big bonus for this dish, minimal prep and minimal cleanup. Who doesn't like this? For this delicious potato wedges recipe, I'm using Russet potatoes or Idaho. You can use any potatoes that are available to you. I have scrubbed them thoroughly in the sink to remove any dirt. I also have some spices that will go with the wedges. So pat these potatoes dry with a paper towel. I'm using about 6 of them. Then cut this potato in half, then cut it in thirds. I'll get about 6 pieces from each potato. Just like so. So half, thirds, and I'll continue cutting all this. With the potatoes cut, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. The oil will help all the spices to stick to the potatoes. A teaspoon salt. Teaspoon cumin. Half a teaspoon chili powder. A teaspoon garlic powder. A teaspoon onion powder. A teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Thoroughly mix this. Make sure each and every potato wedge is coated by all these spices. Now put these potatoes aside, bring a sheet pan, line with an aluminum foil. Now start laying these potatoes onto the sheet pan. This will go into a 425 Fahrenheit oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the potatoes are nice, crispy, and soft in the inside. So friends, there you have it, our delicious and easy to make roasted potato wedges. Very easy to make at home. It took about 35 minutes total to bake them, but I also turned them in the middle during the baking. And here we are, they're nice, crispy, spicy from the spices that we added, especially the chili powder. You can reduce the amount of chili powder that you're using, but we have a very nice cake, very delicious. I hope it's a recipe that you can do on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Let me give these a quick taste. Oh man, so good. Crispy on the outside and yet very soft in the inside. Give them a try. Let me know on the comment section down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.